Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the issue. External hard drive is not recognized, not working after Windows 11 update. So let's fix it now. First you need to open the disk management. Simply right click here and open the disk management option. Here is disk management, or you can search it disk management. And once you type disk here, just select create hard disk partition and this option. And now you need to ensure that the hard drive which is external is enabled. Sometime it may go offline. So what you can do is you can right click there and simply you need to click on here online. Okay, and once it is online you should able to fix the issue. If that is also not working for you, sometime what happens that it is inserted on your computer but the drive letter is hidden and it may change sometime and not configured with. So in that case what you can do is right click, then you need to click on change driver letter part and you need to click on change and simply give the another drive to it. And once you give another drive to it, just click on apply and OK, and it should able to fix the issue automatically. If this is also not working for you, what you can do is just open your device manager, and once you open the device manager you need to look for the option, this option, universal serial bus controller, and you need to make sure that all the options are enabled here. Sometime it may disable like this, so your mouse or other things may not work properly. Right click and simply enable it. It is asking to restart the system, but you can enable and disable it and then reconnect it on your computer, and it should able to fix the issue. If that is also not working for you, what you can do is you can look for update settings, and then you need to click on update history, and once you see that you need to scroll down and click on uninstall updates and look for the latest update which you have recently installed and simply uninstall them one by one. Uninstall them and restart your computer, and it will fix the issue. So I hope guys these solutions works for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.